The first things that I want to demo is actually the sheets and views and just how much quicker it is to use the Naviate tool than to go about it manually, where you are probably right-clicking and you're duplicating and renaming, and then you're kind of creating your sheets, you know, one at a time and naming them one at a time. So in Naviate Accelerate then we have this section here for managing sheets and views. So if I go manage here, this opens me up a whole other toolbar where I can create views, I can manage those views, I can create sheets, and then I can manage those sheets. So a bit of prep that I've done earlier is I've made my scope boxes because I want to make 2 part plans here out of this building because it's too big to put on one sheet. So what Naviate lets me do is I can create my dependent views by automating it rather than going the traditional method of going duplicate as dependent, and then on I go one by one. So if I load up this tool here, you'll see that these are my basic views from my Revit model there. I don't want to parapet, so I want 2 part plans for every one of my floor plans, and then what Naviate will let me do is then select which plan types I want. So today I just want my floor plans, and I also want to put my view template on those plans. So I want my GA plan 100, scale 100, and I want to make dependent views, so you have to make sure that you tick that button. These are my scope boxes that I made earlier. So I want my part plan A and part plan B. And then I simply then just hit create views, and Naviate will generate those 8 views or those 12 views for me. So you can see how quick that was. That was a matter of seconds there to create 12 views, whereas I could be, you know, 15-20 minutes manually doing that. And if I just close that view there now, if I come in here back into my project browser and into my sheet views, my view template automatically tells my views where to go, so they have moved into my sheet views kind of area for me. There's my part plans with my scope boxes applied. So there's my part A, and there's my part B. Now from an RKD perspective and possibly from other offices, these views now aren't named to sort of RKD standards. So sort of our rule in-house is that your sheet views are named with the sheet number in front of them, and it keeps the project browser really organized. I don't want to do that manually because I want to save time on this exercise as well.